Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the indoor testing studio to bring to you a really cool new microphone. This is the TONOR TC777. It is a complete cardioid microphone kit for streaming, gaming, vlogging, all those kind of things. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to unpack it, show you what it comes with, tell you a little bit about its features. Then we're going to test it out. I'm going to turn off these microphones that I'm wearing, and we are just going to record with this so you can actually see how it compares to the Rode microphone I'm wearing right now. And then I'm going to give you Doug's score from 1 to 5 and let you know what I think of this. Is this awesome or is it just so-so? I will tell you honestly what my opinion is. What do you say we get on with it? Let's open it up, see what's inside. So I think the thing that I am most excited about this is a blue microphone, which I just think is cool. I think it's going to add a little pizzazz to the desk when we're doing live streaming or something like that. I think that is a cool add-on. So first thing that jumps out to me when you open it up, it is completely assembled. Let me just tell you, it comes with an instruction manual. I am always a big fan of reading those things. It solves so many questions and issues before you have them. Look at this. There is nothing to assemble. It is one complete put together unit. All right, so let me tell you about the parts. So obviously here we have a nice little tripod stand, right? Put that out. These just pop into place nice and positively like that. All right, we got that. Here you have the microphone, which, as I said, is a cool blue, right? That thing looks wicked cool. I think that's great for the way it looks. And then, in addition to, and the other thing is, look how it's mounted. See how it's mounted? It's suspended in rubber here on the mount. So I'm a big one of these people. I'm always going like this or doing something on the table. Nobody wants to hear that, so that isolates some of those sounds by suspending it that way. It obviously is USB, so he comes with a complete USB cable with a nice tie on it. So let's get that ready so we can use it. And finally, the other thing that it comes with all put together and ready to go right out of the box is a pop filter. So what is a pop filter? So the pop filter goes like that. It goes between your mouth and the microphone itself, which is a cardioid microphone. When what that means is it's recording out in this direction, right? It's picking up the voices here. Theoretically, shouldn't pick up the dog snoring over there too much. But so the pop filter stops some of those noises. We all naturally make these mouth noises, they call them, when you like start to talk and there's clicking and popping and that kind of stuff. So the pop filter, aptly named, stops a lot of that. It'll clean up a lot of that. So it is just cool to have, and I can't believe this kit comes completely together with this. There's only one thing left to do. Let me hook it up. I'll cut these off, and then we'll talk a little so you can hear what it sounds like compared to me now, and then we'll give it the Doug score from 1 to 5. Let's do that now. Okay, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki coming to you via this TONOR TC777 microphone with absolutely no editing. This will be the raw sound coming directly out of this. I hope you're enjoying this video. If so, maybe one of these. In any case, I'm going to tell you this is definitely a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score because this thing, number one, comes completely assembled. All I did was have to plug it into my laptop and it downloaded everything fully ready to go instantly like that, which is great. I wonder how that snap sounded. Anyway, this thing is awesome. We will see you next time.